Alright, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Our number one ingredients for this soup is the beef. This is already washed off camera. To wash your beef, simply sprinkle some salt and wash thoroughly, removing all particles not needed. Now number two is our freshly smoked panla fish. If you're new to my channel, these days I use this very fish a lot, and because it is economical and it is affordable for those who would say, I don't have money to cook vegetable soup is expensive. This fish is very affordable, anyone can buy it. Keep watching because I'll show you how to prep. Then our next ingredient is our yellow chili pepper. If you're new to this channel too, I always use yellow chili pepper to make my soup because it gives it a nice flavor and then a nice aroma. Next is our isam, known as prewrinkle. Now this is already cut off camera. If you want to learn how to wash this, prepare this from scratch for your soup, any soup, I'll be leaving a link the description box down below. The first link will be on how to cut, wash and prep this for your soup. So keep watching, don't go away. Then our next ingredient is our vegetable leaf, known as ugu leaf. Now this ugu leaf looks a bit dry because they've not sprinkled water on it. I asked them to give me the one they've not yet pour water on, so when I wash it, it's going to come back to life. It will become super fresh. So for this soup, I'll be using just this quantity. And next is our water leaf. Now if you don't know what water leaf looks like, and if you're new to my channel, this is exactly what water leaf look like. I decided to film it from here so you know what you're buying in the market. And now to prepare this, first cut off the stem not needed, then the flowery parts, and then keep the freshly parts for the soup. So this is how we prepare it. Cut off the flowery part, then take off the some amount of the stem which is already very hard. We don't need that part, and then keep the tender part with the leaf. Continue to do that until all the water leaf you want to use is properly prepared and properly picked and cleaned up. So keep watching, but this will be cut off camera. If you want to learn how to cut this, I'll be leaving a link on how to cut this from the scratch. Keep watching because other ingredients will be introduced as I use them. Now for the panless fish, to prep it, first cut off the head and then take your hand to open it into two parts. I can say bisect it. Then kindly take off the intestines and all the particles not needed for the soup, as well as the center bone, so you don't have any obstacle while eating your soup. And also don't forget to remove the stick used to hold the head and the tail together, because you don't need that stick as well. So keep watching. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like my video, comment and share my video to your friends and families, and don't forget to watch the ads. That is one of the ways you support my channel. So after transferring this in a clean pot, the next thing is to add my freshly chopped onions, then seasoning, and then salt. Next I'll be going with my yellow chili pepper. Mix this to combine and allow to cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you notice that the meat has water. Now I'll be allowing this to cook again for another 15 minutes, allowing the meat to absorb the seasoning, thereby making it tasty. Now after the 15 minutes, I'll go ahead and add enough water to bring the meat to a cook. At this point, you can decide to take off the fish. Then after that 15 minutes, the next thing is to add my water leaf that is already chopped and wash off camera. Next, I'll go in with my crayfish. Crayfish is known as prawn. Then next, I add my yellow chili pepper, go in with my palm oil, and then cover this to cook on a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, open and stir to combine. Make sure at this point, make sure that every seasoning is okay. Your salt, your pepper, the water, everything is perfect. At this point, I'll be adding the isam. Now isam does not need so much heat to cook, so I'll be allowing this to just cook for just 2 minutes. I will cover to cook on a medium flame for another 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, just open the pot, stir, and make sure everything is combined. Make sure you use yellow chili pepper according to your taste, seasoning according to your taste, salt according to your taste. Now crayfish, enough crayfish in your soup is already serving as a seasoning, so you may not need to add much seasoning. At this point, after checking everything, I'll go ahead and add my ugu leaf that is already chopped off camera, and then stir to combine on a medium flame for 60 seconds to a minute. Now, because this is vegetable, it does not require much heat to cook, so and also so it does not turn brown. So mix this to combine, and our vegetable soup is simple and ready, and it can go with any swallow of your choice, fufu, iba, or flour. The choice is yours. Now, if you've watched my video up to this point, don't forget to like, comment, share, and watch the ads. And don't forget to watch my playlist, because I have a lot of Nigerian soup recipes here on this channel. Alright everyone, let me know in the comment section what you like about these simple ingredients used in cooking this delicious and healthy soup. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like I said, and don't forget to watch the ads, and don't forget to watch my playlist, and don't forget to share. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in my next video, and bye for now.